purpose of this procedure is to ensure that all GİMAS employees and stakeholders act in accordance with ethical principles in all business processes and to integrate the company's ethical values into all business activities. Embracing ethical values aims to establish a trustworthy work environment and secure the company's long-term success. This procedure applies to all employees, managers, suppliers, and business partners working within GİMAS. It targets the implementation and sustainability of ethical values in all business processes, services, and internal and external relationships of the company. All individuals and organizations in direct or indirect business relations with GİMAS are expected to comply with the ethical principles stated in this procedure. Our company works to maximize efficiency in production processes and minimize environmental impact. We follow technological developments to minimize waste and reduce emissions and continuously develop eco-friendly solutions. We treat our employees, customers, and suppliers equally and reject all forms of discrimination. We promote diversity and inclusion. We collaborate with local communities and educational institutions to support their development. We provide employees with mandatory legal, orientation, technical, professional, and personal development training. We adopt transparent communication in all activities, sharing accurate and honest information with employees, customers, and stakeholders. We take responsibility for our actions and regularly report our progress on achieving targets and managing environmental impact. We ensure compliance with legal requirements through regular internal and external audits and share results transparently to build trust. All activities are conducted in accordance with national and international laws. We expect the same diligence from all employees and partners. We act in line with principles of environmental protection, public health, social benefit, and sustainable development. All stakeholders are expected to adhere to these principles. We operate with a proactive, customer-oriented approach that responds to customer needs and demands promptly and accurately. We work with suppliers who possess a corporate quality system, demonstrate ethical and honest behavior, and align with our working principles. We comply with competition laws and refrain from misleading or derogatory statements about competitors. We prioritize the health and safety of our employees and take all necessary precautions in the workplace. We proactively identify and develop solutions for potential occupational health and safety risks. We base all our activities and relationships on respect for universal human rights. We do not tolerate discrimination based on gender, age, ethnicity, language, religion, belief, disability, sexual orientation, marital status, or any other protected characteristic. Employee personal information is not shared with third parties without consent, except as required by law. Employment decisions are based solely on merit. We ensure equal opportunity without discrimination based on nationality, race, color, language, religion, gender, marital status, disability, political opinion, or any other legally protected characteristics. The transfer and/or use of products and technologies subject to export and import controls, we act in compliance with relevant laws, regulations, and company policies. We conduct all financial transactions transparently and maintain a zero-tolerance policy toward any form of illicit financial activity. We implement a strict zero-tolerance policy against bribery and corruption. Employees cannot use their positions for personal gain. Employees and suppliers must not request, offer, or accept gifts, hospitality, or any other personal benefit that may be perceived as influencing business decisions or compromising ethical standards. All intellectual property rights are respected. We maintain all legal records in accordance with applicable laws and timelines. The use of company IT systems must always comply with internal security policies. Company resources are used effectively and solely for business purposes. We take all necessary measures to protect our employees, data, information systems, and physical facilities against threats such as terrorism, natural disasters, cyber attacks, and other malicious actions. We fully comply with all applicable data protection laws, including the EU General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, and Turkey's Personal Data Protection Law, KVKK. Employees receive regular training on ethical values and related procedures. These sessions are provided to both new hires and existing staff at scheduled intervals. Training covers how to incorporate ethical standards into daily business practices. Employees can report ethical violations, corruption, discrimination, or any other misconduct securely through suggestion complaint boxes or by contacting the Human Resources Department. GİMAS treats all reports confidentially, assesses them appropriately, and ensures fair resolution of any violations. Employee performance is evaluated not only based on business outcomes, but also on adherence to ethical values and professional conduct. The ability to reflect ethical principles in daily work, decision-making, and interactions is a key factor in overall assessments. Are expected to understand, adopt, and follow ethical principles. They must report any suspected violations to their supervisors. Must act as ethical role models, raise awareness within their teams, and take appropriate action when violations occur. Oversees the planning and delivery of ethics-related training and internal communications. Are required to commit to and comply with the ethical standards defined by GİMAS. Employees receive a verbal warning. Business partners receive a written notice. A corrective action plan is expected. In case of repeated or serious violations, disciplinary measures such as suspension or termination of employment partnership may be applied based on the decision of the relevant board or management. This procedure is reviewed and updated regularly to reflect changes in legislation, industry standards, and social expectations. GİMAS is committed to continuous improvement in its ethical practices and culture. GİMAS is committed to continuous improvement in its ethical practices and culture.